So good to hear the kids are doing well at school. How's James going?
Well, he's doing really well.
Good.
But to be perfectly honest, he's been behaving a little odd lately.
Oh, why's that?
Well, his pool cleaner broke down last week.
And?
And yeah, he's bought himself a new one.
Oh, that's good.
Well, that's the problem. When he's not cleaning the pool, he's playing with his new robot pool cleaner.
Your pool does look great.
Well, you're right. It's never looked cleaner. And that thing gets rid of every speck of dust and gets into every nook and cranny.
And James seems to be very happy.
Just so powerful, aren't you? I might see you down there. Oh, there's a dead cockroach.
I wonder if they make one for the house.